Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make jump and fade out effects to a video on CapCut. So first, get your clips ready and then click on the first clip and go to animations, choose in, and then choose the swing button. Okay, so this one, and adjust it to 0.2 seconds and do this for all of your clips. Okay, swing bottom. Okay, so the last one. Okay, so after that, click on the first clip and then add a keyframe near the end of the clips. Okay, so in here, and then after that, zoom out the clips a little bit like this, and then move forward a bit and add another keyframe, and at the second keyframe lower the opacity of the video to around 12. Okay, and you need to do this for all of your clips. So add a keyframe, zoom out a little bit, and then add another keyframe, then lower the opacity. Okay, I'm going to get back to you when I'm done with the third clips. Okay, so I've already lowered the opacity to all of the clips and also add a keyframe. So here is the final result for the blur for the jump and fade out effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.